Hi everybody, welcome to my presentations. My name is Bulbul Ahmed. I am going to talk on my project PDX, colon cancer, tumor growth, morphology and transcriptional profile in obese rag-1 mice. So obesity is a huge problem in this country. More than 30% people in this country are obese, and obesity not only a chronic disease, it also cause some of chronic disease like diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, cancers and cardiovascular disease and so on. So statistics show that more than 20% of cancer patients associated with obesity, and in this 20% patients, 11% are colorectal cancer patients. So our study is mainly focused on the obese induced colorectal cancer, because colorectal cancer is a third most common cancer in USA and second most cancer caused death in USA. We only know that the obesity causes insulin resistance, and this insulin resistance make a lot of inflammations and affects some macrophage, and this macrophage influence the cancer. But we don't know the in-depth knowledge of how this obese induce colorectal cancer, because there are several conventional study methods like biopsy study. This biopsy study only can give us the result of single point of view. It cannot recurrent. And there is another conventional study method is cell culture method. We can recurrent it, but the problem is it cannot mimic the microenvironment of colorectal cancers. And another study is subcutaneous tumor growth, and this also we can grow the tumor in under the skin, but it cannot mimic the microenvironment of colorectal cancer. So what we are doing, we are implanting that tumor in orthotopically so that it can mimic the microenvironment of colorectal cancer patients. So what we are doing, we collect 3 tumor from 3 patients, and then we go in this skid mice, and we select the slowest growing tumors from there, and then we propagate it in skid mice and transfer it in the 2 types of rag-1 mice orthotopically. So one type of the high fat and high sugar Western diet fed group, and another type is control diet mice group. So initially we saw that the 70% of mice survives, and in future we will do the morphology, and then we will collect the samples and we will do genomic analysis and proteomic analysis also. Thanks.